Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site protectpcscan.com. Protectpcscanner.com is truly a deceptive and very malicious website that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. This particular website tries to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Initially, it claims to be related to some decent security program, but when you start interacting with these pop-ups, they will point you to many other shady resources that may promote a totally different software. So please be very careful, don't ever install anything that these pop-ups by protectpcscan.com suggest. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware enabled in the computer, so first thing you can do is to check the control panel and then uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. If you find them, if you don't remember installing them, uninstall them. I also recommend that you additionally investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the installer, run the installer, and begin investigating and researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats, all these unwanted pop-up ads that keep attacking your screen, and to delete any other more serious malware from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.